In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Temu account. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before continuing, since the verification steps need to be completed from inside your own profile. After you've signed in, go to the You section or your profile area. This is where Temu keeps your personal account options. So if you're looking for anything related to account details, security, or verification, this is the right place to begin. Next, open Settings, or look for a section called Account and Security. The exact wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using the app or the website, but the goal is the same. You want to find the area where Temu shows your account status and security options. Once you're in that section, check your account status carefully and look for any prompts asking you to verify your account. Temu may show a message, alert, or button that guides you through the process. If you see one, follow it and continue with the required verification steps. One of the most common parts of verification is confirming your email address. If Temu asks for this, open the verification email sent by Temu and click the confirmation link inside it. If you don't see the message right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well, since verification emails can sometimes end up there. You may also be asked to verify your phone number. In that case, Temu will send a verification code to your mobile device. Enter that code exactly as received to confirm your number. Be sure to do this before the code expires, since these codes are usually only valid for a short time. In some cases, Temu may request additional identity or security verification. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions and complete any extra steps that appear. These checks are designed to help protect your account and keep your information secure. When everything is done, go back to your account settings and check the status again. You should now see that your account has been successfully verified, and that's it. That's how to verify your Temu account. If a step doesn't appear right away, give the app or page a quick refresh and check the account and security section again.